All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It is JD on 3, and it is always an official JD's production. As you can see, I have a 2023 Ryker 600, and it's definitely souped up with the links. The link system here, it came with the shield, and she got the comfort seat on it. And check out the wheels on this 23. It is very nice. I'm really liking it. I'm installing today some LED glow lights and a brake lock. So let's go ahead and get into it. I won't really go step by step. There's tons of videos on these, but definitely gonna get that installed for her today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So you all see it, the brake lock has been installed, fairly simple install. Needed a step drill bit to actually get that hole open for the lock, but that was all I needed, was that step drill bit and 2 screws, and boom, there you go, the JD on 3 experience.